wants to be success, right? That too within a short span of time. Most of us all wants to be succeed soon in our life. Once after we finished our academics, we wish to be a CEO of the most reputed company, or to be a top leading businessman, or to be a great and well-known actor after a debut movie, and so on. But in reality, success won't come fast. If the success which comes fast, it won't last forever. For example, let me tell you a short story. We all know how does a banana and banyan tree grows. Banyan tree takes much time to grow mature, whereas the banana tree takes less time comparing to banyan. Once when banana tree grows completely, it has to be cut down for the next fruit. How quickly it grows, and in a way it dies so quickly. Though banyan tree takes much time, but it lives for many years. For my curiosity, I just googled for its lifespan. It shows possibly over 1,000 years. Likewise, some may be succeed as banana tree, but it won't last forever. And for some, life sucks. They won't see any kind of growth and fruits in their life, but facing only so many problems and failures. For those, I want to say something. Success takes time and effort. Don't expect everything should happen soon. Actually, those delays are an incubation period of your success. So wait patiently until you achieve. All good things are to those who waits. But it is not necessary to cling on your failures and waiting to get an answer for all those unsolved problems. Just move on. Do not look for the answer right now. Start working and concentrate on the next chapter of your life. One day, without even noticing, you'll find those questions have been answered already. Robin Sharma, he's a Canadian writer. He says this in one of his books. If you have failed more than others, then you are living your life more completely than others. So cheer up guys, use the lessons you have learned from your past and rise up like a phoenix bird to a brand new person. One day all your struggles and pains which you are facing today is actually going to pay you off. Okay, finally I want to wind up with this. So, what do you mean by success? To become rich? Or to get a fame and name? Or to be popular and famous? No, that's not. Well, everyone has their different perspective and idea towards success. I'm not here to against that, but according to me, success is the one which defines us when we are in deathbed. For example, let us consider our former President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who was also an aerospace scientist and an author. He might be successful in many projects and fields which he had undertaken when he lived in this world, but after his demise, everyone grieved that we lost a huge personality. Like him and another character, Mother Teresa. Since she is not from India, but our government honored her by giving Indian citizenship. Yes, she is known for her compassionate heart towards poor and abandoned people. Even her demise also brought a huge loss to our society. Hence, I consider them as a successful person. And also there are many successful people out there. Like them, our life and death should impact others. Our lifestyle should be a role model to others. Our life experiences should be a solution to many problems. Overall, our life should be a waymaker to the future generations. So you are the light of this world. Your birth is not an accident. You're born to light up this world. So live a life in such a way that it should influence others. I wish you to be the successful person. Thank you.